And that's where we're headed. Going up Cat in the Hat.
Did you see the frightened ones? Did you hear the falling bombs? Did you ever wonder why we had to run for shelter when the promise of a brave new world unfurled beneath the clear blue sky?
There. He's pulling on it. We gotta get it off, right?
No. Just say that's me.
That's me.
That's me, Mike!
So
Hold on.
yeah. So because you're still not safe.
Okay.
So he's just got the rope up.
Okay.
I mean, he knows, right? He knows the process. So
Oh,
he
yeah,
probably
yeah,
knows where they are now.
He'll say on belay. Gotta wait for
Maybe
his
doesn't
keywords.
fucking pull that rope.
Take the time just to listen when the voice is screaming I'm much too loud. Take a look in the distance, try and see.
Yep, reach down there, yep.
Chances are that you
Alright, so what do I do with all this shit? Just kind of tie it up a little bit?
Yeah, here I'll fix it up for you real quick. I'll show you the best way, Michael. So what you do is take each cam off. So
it's real.
don't worry, Mike. You're fine.
What about you, fucking dude?
Hey, I can't live in here for another day. Darkness is kept the light concealed. Grim as ever, hold on to faith as I dig another grave. Meanwhile, the mice and dead are
Diego!
real as ever. And it seems I've been buried alive. I walk the fields through the fire. Taking
Yep.
steps
Keep stepping. Keep stepping.
You
Yep.
got it, man.
There you go.
You need to put your foot sideways.
There you go. Get it in there. Yep. Down a little bit lower is probably a little bit better. Yeah, there you go. Yep, just like that.
Since the last time, and I feel a little less certain now. You know I jumped at the first sign. Tell me only if it's real. Memories seem to fade. Wash my view away. Hey, I can't live in here for another day.
Total fucking rough fucking racket. Let me just restart this.
There you go. Now I kind of just swing my legs out around the corner.
Take it down now, burn it all out, throw you all around, get your fucking hands off me. What's it feel like? Took the
There you go.
wrong
Yep,
route,
just like that.
watch it fall apart, now you're knocking down the wrong gate. For you to pay the toll, a price for you alone. The only deal you'll find, I'll gladly take your soul. While it seems sick, sober up quick, psycho lunatic, crushing you with hands off me. She can
Good
find
job.
out when it's too late.
About out of it. One more little hard move right here.
Evil thoughts can hide. I'll help release the mind. I'll peel away the skin. Release the dark within. This is now your life. Strike you from the light. This is now your life. Die buried alive. This is now your life. What's it feel like? Strike you from the light. This is now your life. What's it feel like? Die buried alive. Let me take in your soul. This is now your life. Die buried alive.
Well, I started out down a dirty road. Started out all alone, and the sun went down as I crossed the hill, and the town lit up. The world got still. I'm learning to fly, but I ain't got wings. Coming down is the hardest thing.
Let me have that big locker back.
I got a locker here too for the.
I got
No,
some
you're
small
gonna
ones.
need that.
Oh,
And not return. And the rocks might melt, and the seed may burn. I'm learning to fly,
The rope.
but I ain't got wings.
There you go.
Coming down is the hardest thing. Some say life will beat you down and break your heart steal your crown. So it started out for God knows where. I guess I don't know